What's going on, y'all? I'm back with another lock video. This is Hiring Talks. We talk about life, mental health, and culture. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So I'm about to take out my style. I've had these in for about a week and a half or so, close to 2 weeks. I got them braided. It's the Pop Smoke style. Here y'all go. Yeah, I had a work trip. So I went and got a retwist and I got a style because I had to go, do some work stuff or whatever the case may be. But yeah, I'm finna take these out. I'm gonna oil my scalp and I'm going to show y'all which sprays I use. I'll only be using one spray, but I'll show y'all. I got a few different sprays that I use, and I'll show y'all a little bit of the oil too. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. Like I said, it's Hiring Talks. We talk about life, mental health, and culture. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. I got some little utensils I'm gonna use to take out the rubber bands. I had to put a few extra rubber bands in there. Let me go ahead and get these out right quick. Let me see. So yeah, y'all bear with me on this because I might speed up the video. I don't know. It depends how quick I get them out my hair. So let's see. I got this little tool right here. I'm not gonna poke my. I used this before, and I could use a comb or whatever, but it's just easier. And I just got out the shower too, so my hair's a little, it's not completely dry. I got a little humidity or moist to it or whatever the case, however you want to say it. So I'm gonna go out and do it. Now, last time I had this style, my rubber bands came out on accident and I was out of town and I didn't know how to braid, so I couldn't braid it back. Now I know how to braid. That was actually a learning lesson. But last time I took this style out, my locks were actually locking together. That's one of the other reasons why I'm going ahead and taking it out, because my locks were trying to like marry together the last time I had this in, and I wasn't really feeling that. Nobody's fault. It's just my hair pattern, all that good stuff. So. All right, that's the first one come out. They all crinkly, you know what I mean? Got a little length too, you know what I'm saying? They hanging a little bit, got that curly, crinkly look. Let's go ahead and do the rest of them. Now, y'all, if you are just kind of doing this without hopping in the shower first or something like that, you want to use a spray bottle. You know what I mean? My hair is still kind of dry right now, but I mean, use a spray bottle or something like that. I'm just doing me right now. I did definitely just poke my finger though behind the camera. I'm probably gonna edit that part out, but I definitely did. I ain't even gonna sit here and lie like I did. But we're gonna take the second one out. Ooh, I'm so glad I'm taking this out too. I'm trying to tell you, like, it wasn't hurting. My loctician did an amazing job. Shout out to my loctician. It wasn't hurting though, but y'all know how it is, especially you've been growing your hair for a couple years or whatever the case may be, or even less than that. When you got your hair in a style, even if it's not sore, it's just in a style. You know what I mean? Like, it feels better, just more freely hanging and all that good stuff. And already, it just feels good. It feels good already. They definitely crinkly though. You know what I mean? Just, that's the way we like it. That's the way we like it. All right, y'all. So on this one on the back, trying to be difficult, I'm gonna actually use a spray bottle with this one. So I got this Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Well, actually, I may not put the link in the description. I might forget. But you just go on Amazon and find your little spray bottle, or Walmart.com or something like that. I don't know. Anyway. How long y'all been growing y'all locks? Let me know in the comment section. I'm at 2 years and 4 months, I think. It's crazy that I don't know, because I remember when I first started my locks, I was counting the days, minutes, hours, milliseconds. I knew exactly. Yeah, it's been 3 months and 2 weeks and 89 seconds. Like, I knew everything. But now, I kind of forgot. I know, like, the milestones, though. I know in May, it'll be my 2.5 years, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, definitely my 2.5 years. So, yeah, we rocking out like that. We're going to keep going. This spot in the back of my head, I've been meaning to scratch that for the longest time. Y'all don't even understand. I should have got a bobby pin and got up under there and scratched it, but I didn't even want to do all that. I've done that before though. But yeah, boy. First side, first half. Undone half. View from the back.
Weird, buddy. You're weird.
Other side. Yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Before I got this retwist, this was the longest I went without getting a retwist. It was like 3 months. A little less than 3 months, but basically 3 months. It was like 3 months by less than 3 months by like a couple of days. But yeah. And my hair was looking good. It was healthy. I take care of my hair. So, you know, it was alright. It wasn't too bad. Oh yeah. Look like Medusa. All right. See that? See that? Make sure it's all the way tangled at the root. And I got one more left. Let's do it. This one wants to be a little difficult, so we're gonna get the handy dandy bottle, water bottle. Hey, there it goes. There it goes. I'm gonna get the handy dandy water bottle. Spray that on the end a little bit. Got my little tool. See my little tool? Just don't poke your finger. All right, all right. Here's the finished product right here. Got that good crinkle look. It's looking nice. It's looking all right. It's looking all right. Looking good. Looking good. So it's going to be crinkly for maybe a few days or whatever the case may be. But let's go ahead and get into what I use on my hair. Let's get right into it. Let's go. The first thing that I was using on my hair for the longest time, and I got to do this one first because it was definitely helped me out for like just about 2 years, or maybe a little bit more, but I would say about 2 years, is the House of Isis Scalp Mist. House of Isis Scalp Mist right here. It's got a peppermint, lavender, purified water. So what I would do is I use a spray every day. So I always use a spray in my hair every day. Maybe twice a day, but primarily just once a day, honestly. So, you know, I just lightly sprayed on my hair. I don't really massage it in, depending on how far along I am in my retwist. If it's been a while since I had my retwist, I'll massage it in. But sometimes, like right now, I don't really want to mess up my parts. So I'll just make sure I'll get it real good. I still make sure it hits the scalp, but I may not like just rub it all in. That's just my personal preference until later down the line. Then I'll start rubbing it in. Anyway, so this is the mist I use, scalp mist. It has purified water infused with essential oils, lavender, peppermint. don't know if y'all can see that. I may not be holding it up right, but yeah. So yeah, that's that. All right, but lately I've been using Free the Roots. I've really used both of them, not at the same time. I don't use both of them at the same time. Some days I may use the Scout Mist, the House of Ices, and then some days I may use this. I don't really have a method to the madness. They both really work, but I also got the French lavender joint. Yeah. So yeah, I use this. Before I get in the shower, I'll always spray it on my hair. Now, if it's the day I'm supposed to oil my hair, I oil my hair 3 times a week now, at least 3 times a week. I don't want to over oil it, so usually Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I used to oil it whenever it felt right, but now I just stick to a schedule. So I oil it. Say I'm about to get in the shower, I oil my hair. I'll spray it with scalp mist real good. I'll put a do-rag on or a scarf or something on my hair. Tuck it in there. I know my hair getting kind of a little bit longer, so it's harder, but you can still get it up in there. Scarf, do-rag, whatever. And then I have this kind of like a thing. It's not in here, but kind of like a dreadlock cap. You know what I mean? Like a dreadlock sleeve, I guess. And then I put my shower cap on top of that. So yeah, when I'm taking a shower and I spray the scalp mist on there, I just apply really like some heat to my scalp. It works for me. Now everybody has a method to the madness, but it works for me. You know what I mean? So yeah, I do that. So now to the oils that I use. Now I'm gonna have another video about the oil because I may be doing some things with the oil as far as from a business perspective in the future. But just a quick overview of the oil. So basically, at Amazon again, go to Amazon, get you one of these little things. I put in some essential oils in here, mixture, peppermint, tea tree, etc., etc. I put like 4 oils in here. You don't want to overdo it because I don't want to irritate my scalp. But I put some essential oils in here, a few drops. And then I use a carrier oil, MCT oil. I think it's carrier. I think that's the correct term. Where's that MCT oil at? Hold on. Where it at? Oh, goodness. So, and then I'll put the MCT oil in here. And yeah, it works wonders. It works wonders for me. So I'll do that 3 times a week. Scalp mist, spray my hair. And yeah. So if I don't do it during the day, or I don't do the spray during the day or the oil during the day when I'm supposed to do the oil, I'll definitely do it at night. You got to make sure your hair is moisturized and stuff though. And at night, I sleep with a bonnet. Dang, my bonnet not in here. But I sleep with a bonnet, y'all. You know what I mean? Don't be afraid, fellas, to sleep with a bonnet. I sleep with a scarf or do-rag, and then I put a bonnet on. I ain't gonna lie to you, because sometimes the bonnet come off, and then you know what I mean? So you'll find what works for you though. If you already in the lock game, been in the lock game for a while, you just getting in there, you trying to whatever, or you don't really care, you're just watching the video because you're bored. Whatever the case may be, you'll find what works for you. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all watching. I'm gonna do some more lock videos. If y'all let me know if y'all want me to do more lock videos. Y'all check out my mixes. I got some music mixes. I got more on the way, but I got some music mixes out there right now. Some R&B, a little chill rap, whatever the case may be, blah, 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 blah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I got mental health videos on my channel also. I'm going to have more different type of content coming to my channel. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's Hiram Talks. We talk about life, mental health, and culture. I'm going to catch y'all on the next video. Peace.